Hi, my name is Reyansh. I'm 8 years old, and today I'm going to be telling you my science game. This is how it is. Click the arrows to see the water cycle. Evaporation. Evaporation happens when water molecules get up in the air in the form of vapor. Second, condensation. Condensation happens. Condensation is the process of turning gas into water. Finally, precipitation. Precipitation is when water or snow falls down from the clouds. Now I will be showing you how I made this. So first I added some sprites like the clouds, the sun, the water, and the evaporation lines. And then I put this. So when up pressed, I click the arrows to see the water cycle. And then I put when each arrow is clicked, suppose like when the first arrow is clicked, the evaporation will go up. And then when the second arrow is clicked, it will show condensation, and condensation happens is the process of turning gas into water. And then when the third one's clicked, it will show precipitation, and precipitation is when water or snow falls down from the clouds. And so to make like the evaporation move, I went to the events and put a moving north and looping. And then if you notice that the clouds were jittering, I went to the events again and took a jittering block. And I even put moving south and looping to the water block. And if you could hear the sound, I put play sound, and I put nature rain. And I even put when the sprite clicked, I got that from events and like all of them. And then the show title screen, title and subtitle, I got that from the text. It like gives you things, and then you have to write things in there. And I got these sprites by going to the sprites tab and then clicking costumes. Like I went to the sprite tabs and then chose from like here, or you can just go to costumes, and I got it from there too. And I got a background by going to the world of blocks over here. And then I chose one of the background blocks that says set background to blank. And I changed the background to this desert type area. So I'll show you all the steps while playing the game. So when I first click the up arrow, it will show this. Click the arrows to see the water cycle. And then it says when arrow clicked, evaporation happened. The evaporation lines are moving north and looping, and it will show evaporation. Evaporation happens when water molecules get up in the air in the form of vapor. And then the second arrow. So when it's clicked, it shows condensation. Condensation is the process of turning gas into water. And the clouds are jittering. It might be hard to see, but they are. And then the third arrow. So the third arrow is precipitation. It's in the show title screen. precipitation. Precipitation is when water or snow falls down from the clouds. And we have put the sprites, and it's moving south or northing. And I am also putting this down category nature right now, like water thing. Anyways, thank you for listening to how I made the water cycle process.